I recently went on a plane with a sinus infection and an oncoming ear infection. And let me tell you, I was so thankful for EarPlanes. So my kit came with 3 of these. I'm going to give you a demo of how they work. So this is what it looks like. They're like soft and kind of squishy with the little corkscrew style. You're going to put it on before you take off. Or if you only need it for landing, you're going to put it in 1 hour before you land. So it's really important to put it in before. I put them in like before we took off and never took them out of my ears until we landed. So what you do, since it's got that little corkscrew, it's really easy to put in. You kind of just put it right there and then you just do a little bit of twisting. And also if you do have sinuses, you can clear them, before you put it in. You don't have to, I don't think. And then what that's doing is it's reducing noise by 20 decibels, I think it is. Yeah, 20 decibels is the noise reduction rating. So if you only need it on one side, go for it. What I like is your hair can cover it so it doesn't look like that weird. It just kind of looks like a normal earbud. And then of course you would do the same thing on the other side. Let me get my hair out of the way there. And it just kind of muffles the sound a little bit, but you can still hear very well. So it's not like you're like, what did someone say? You can still hear everything, but it's going to get rid of that really, really loud noises. And especially if you do have a sinus infection or an ear infection and you have to travel, you got to protect your ears. Or if you're just around loud noise a lot, protect those ears. And these really, really work.